Hello everyone. So today we are going to start with the topic fraction. What is a fraction? When an object is divided into a number of equal parts, then each part is called a fraction. 2 by 3. So here we have been given a number 2 by 3. This line is known as the bar, and the number which is given above the line, above the bar, is known as the numerator. So the numerator here is 2, and the number which is given below the bar is known as the denominator. So the denominator here is, yes, it is 3. Denominator. The denominator says how many equal parts are there in the whole object. So we have been given this figure, and we can see that it is divided into 2 equal parts, 1 part and 2 parts. So the denominator will be 2 over here because the number of equal parts are 2. So how many equal parts are there in this shape? Yes, we have 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts and 4 parts. So we have total 4 equal parts. So the denominator will be, yes, it will be 4. Okay, now we have to find the denominator of these fractions. So in the first figure, we have a circle. It is divided into how many equal parts? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total how many parts are there? 4. So the denominator will be 4. In the second figure, we have a triangle, and it is divided into how many equal parts? Yes, 3. First part, second part and third part. So total how many equal parts are there? Total 3 parts are there. In the third figure, the figure is divided into how many equal parts? Yes, it is divided into 2 equal parts. So the denominator will be 2. In the last figure, the figure is divided into how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the denominator will be 8. So you have to draw what you think these fractions look like. You have to make a figure and tell me that you are able to do it or not. So the number on the bottom of a fraction tell us, yes, it tells us about the total equal number of parts the figure is divided into. Numerator. The numerator says how many parts are there in the fraction. Like in the figure given here, we have 2 equal parts. So the denominator will be 2. But out of 2 equal parts, how many parts are shaded? Yes, only 1 part is shaded. So the numerator will be 1. So in this figure, how many equal parts are colored in this? Yes, we have total 4 equal parts. So we have written in the denominator 4. But how many parts are shaded out of 4 equal parts? 1, 2 and 3. Total 3 parts are shaded. So the numerator will be 3. So here we have to find the numerator for these fractions. How many parts are shaded in the first figure? Let's count. 1, 2 and 3. Total 3 parts are shaded out of 4 equal parts. In the next figure, we have total 3 equal parts. And how many are shaded? Yes, we have 2 shaded parts. So the numerator will be 2. Okay, in the next figure, we have 8 equal parts. And how many are shaded? Yes, we have only 1 shaded part. So the numerator will be just 1. In the last figure, we have total 8 equal parts. So we have written it in the denominator. But how many parts are shaded? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 are shaded. So the numerator will be 5. So here we have to write the fraction of these shapes. Okay, so how many parts are total shaded? Yes, it is 4. And total how many parts are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we will write it in the denominator. Okay, in the next one we have been given how many parts are shaded? Yes, it's just 1. So the numerator will be 1 and the denominator means the total equal number of parts. So we can see that total parts are 4. So the denominator will be 4. In the next figure, we have total 2 parts shaded. So we will write it in the numerator. And total how many parts are there? Total equal parts? Yes, it is 3. So we will write 3 over here. Okay, in the next figure we have total 6 parts shaded. So we will write 6 in the numerator. And how many total equal parts are there? Yes, it is 9. So our fraction will be 6.